Hello guys, welcome to Maureen Yummy Food. Hope you guys are great. Today I'll show you guys how I make my juicy pork chops with potatoes. These thick juicy pork chops are seasoning to perfection. They are easy to make. They are so delicious. They are so yummy. I know you don't want to miss out. I want you guys to give a try. You can see all my ingredients. Some people use brown sugar, but in my video I'm using honey. And if this is your first time of watching my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Combine all ingredients in a blender. You can see in my video the way I do mine. The remaining mixture to the potatoes, just the way I'm doing it in the video. Mix it very well together, and then you can add little bit of salt to the potato as well. You also mix it together. You have to mix the salt and the potatoes together so that the salt will not set aside, and then add the pork chops on top the potato. Make sure they are covering the potato just the way I'm doing it in the video. And because the potato, they are uncooked, so that it will get, everything will be well cooked together. Just the way I'm doing it, place it like that to cover the potatoes so that the heat from the down will also cook the pork chops. Then add 1 cup of water to it. You add 1 cup of water side by side, the way I'm doing it, not on top of the pork chops, because it will, remove the mixture. So you pour it side by side, just the way I'm adding mine. That's the best way you can add your water. And add the lime zest. That is the skin of the lime. Just little bit. Add some on top of the pork chops. Add some of it and take a foil paper and cover your pork chops with potato. After covering them, place them in the oven for 80 minutes. After 80 minutes, you can see that the pork chops with potato is fully ready. Everything is fully ready. You can serve with Greek salad or any salad of your choice. Also, you can eat it without salad. This recipe is very easy, so yummy and delicious. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks.